Hi everyone, Rainey with my Dream Boat project here, and today I'm going to show you a DIY how to make the cheapest and quickest air filter for a shop that you can imagine. We're going to see if we can get this thing done in less than 5 minutes. Not from now because I talk a lot, but from when we start. Now, I'm in a garage. I'm building a boat, as many of you know. So all I have to do is drop a piece of plywood. Like if I drop this piece of plywood over here right now, you'd see a puff of smoke. There is always, or I shouldn't say smoke, dust. There's always dust in this place. When I first started videotaping down here, I thought there were little orbs, you know, like little spiritual things. And after a while, I realized, no, those are dust particles. They're not orbs. So between cutting wood and sanding fiberglass and sanding epoxy resin dried up, with all that stuff, there's just dust everywhere. I look around, and even when I blow it out the garage with my my little air vac there, what do you call that? I don't even know what they call the thing. I'm having a mind warp right now. But even when I blow it out the garage door, it just sticks around. And I realize, hey, I'm breathing this stuff in. So I got this really huge filter they use for plants, and it's like huge tubes and tubs and all that. And I said, oh, this is so expensive and it looks so complicated. Then I said, aha, I got an idea. So here's one of the cheapest, quickest air filters that you can probably build. You might have all the parts already. Most people do. But I went out and bought everything brand new. I went to Home Depot and got everything for less than $25. And here it is, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. All you need is, I'm gonna move the video back here. All you need is a filter. This is a Honeywell filter. Let's see, 20 by 20 by 1. So it's 1 inch thick, 20 inches by 20 inches. And, you know, get whatever kind of filter you want. This is the ones used for the furnace because I figure it gets some pretty fine particles. So this is brand new. And these things usually cost about $3 or $4. Then the other thing you're going to need is a fan, a box fan. And I bought a Lasco, I believe it was $18. A lot of you probably have these lying around the house anyway. It's hard to get one in the winter, by the way. I went to like 4 stores, including Walmart, and one store says, well, we send them all back in the winter. But luckily, Home Depot and Lowe's still have them, okay? So theirs was $18. You probably find it cheaper online, maybe Amazon, who knows? So that's the other thing we need. And tape. Duct tape, or in my case, I'm going to be using just this kind of tape here. Now this is to make one just self-standing. If you want, you can make a little bracket to put on the wall. So all you need to do is, let's see, which way does the air come out of this? I want to make sure I don't put it on the wrong side. Turn on the fan. Okay. And let's see, the wind is blowing that way. So this is the front of the fan. So let's go ahead and turn it off for a second. Yeah, let's just unplug it. Okay, so I said 5 minutes. Let's see how long this takes. I have my fan, I have my filter. Right now we're still doing the instructions. If you look at your filter on the side here, okay, it will say airflow. See that? Airflow is a little arrow telling you which way the flow goes. So the intake is here going towards the fan. So we want to get that lined up with the fan. So all you need to do is take this piece, put it in front of the fan. Ready? You can start timing me now. So take a few pieces of tape. Let's see, let's take one here, one there, and this simple. Line it up a little bit. Wow, this is difficult, isn't it? Get that lined up there. I'm going to put this one right here. There we go. Look at that, one more piece. Ta-da! I don't think that was even 2 minutes. So there's the filter. Then turn it on. and the air goes through there, comes out the other way, and everything is going to be caught in the filter. So now you're going to be careful. You put it someplace and you leave it there. I don't want you to be moving it around a lot. So let's say we leave it right over here for now. And because if you start moving it around, every time you hit this box, the stuff's going to fall down. So with this kind of filter here, I don't know how many times you could reuse them, but just untape it, go outside, bang it around a bit, come back in and put it. Now, of course, the best kind of filter you can get is one that vents outside. But if you just want a cheap, easy, quick filter, which I need right now until I can get that big system set up, this will do it. So now to test my filter. Let's see how it works. What I'm going to do, I have the filter over there, as you can see. I've got my Ryobi. You can see how dusty it is in here, right? My Ryobi air blower. I'm going to blow some dust up. I'm going to probably regret this. I'm going to blow some dust up in the air, and we're going to see how this thing picks up. All right, so all I need to do is plug it in. Okay, you might want to block your ears here because I'm going to blow a lot of this stuff up in the air. Okay, now let's see how it's going to work. I got it on the top setting. Pretty bad, so I'm getting my mask on. I'm going to see how it clears things out. Get some pretty good airflow. Seems to be collecting pretty well. Phew. Of course, it would help if I had my glasses on, right? It's actually clearing up pretty quick. You can't see it so much. It's clearing up pretty quick over here, but over here, I don't know if you can see it. If you look in the air, you can still see it coming down. It's just kind of all staying in the air. And that's the problem I've been having, is when I get working and the dust goes up in the air, there's no ventilation in here. So it just kind of stays, like I can see all over there. It's just staying there. And over here, it actually looks really clear over here because it's sucking it in and the wind is blowing out the back. So that's giving it circulation, which is something it really should have had before. So I'm going to bring it over here, see if it'll help a little more doing it here as well, cleaning out the rest of it. So we've had it running for about 4 minutes now, and I just wanted to show you around the shop. I was coughing, having a hard time breathing. So in about 5 minutes, of course a lot of it settled, but a lot of it got sucked in there. And just to show you, look at that filter. Again, would you normally be that stuffed up? Probably not, but I did kick a lot of that stuff in the air. But look at everything it picked up just in those few minutes. Wow. I'm sold on it. Get really close. So it sucked up quite a bit. You can see it all there. I hope you can see it on the camera because it's pretty evident to me, not in the camera. So there you have the cheapest air filter, garage air filter for all kinds of flying around woolly boogers that get in your lungs, okay? Getting right in here, all you have to do is shake the filter out, use it a few times before you get another one. Costs less than 25 bucks, probably only be about 5 bucks if you have all the stuff at home already, maybe even less than that, and you can make it in less than 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you have any great ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Ooh, it's getting better already. Please leave them in the comments below. And who knows, if it's a really good one, maybe we'll do a DIY on it over here. I'll use your idea. So thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. Share this with your friends. We want to grow this channel and help people to all have their own dream boat project too. And with that, you all have a great day. Give us a thumbs up too. Happy sailing. Bye-bye now. It does work.